Have you ever wondered what makes a stay at a luxurious 5-star hotel so memorable? Is it the grand architecture, the gourmet dining, or perhaps the top-notch service? While all these factors contribute to the overall experience, there's one unsung hero that plays a critical role behind the scenes. Housekeeping. Imagine walking into a room at a 5-star hotel. The sight that greets you is one of immaculate cleanliness. A perfectly made bed with crisp, clean linens, gleaming surfaces, and an overall atmosphere of freshness. This level of cleanliness doesn't just happen by itself. It's the result of a well-coordinated housekeeping operation. A day in the life of a housekeeping team at a 5-star hotel begins early. As dawn breaks, the housekeeping department springs into action. Rooms are cleaned meticulously, with every surface dusted, every corner swept, and every bed made to perfection. The process is thorough and systematic, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Housekeepers follow a set checklist for each room. This includes tasks like replacing used towels and toiletries, replenishing the minibar, and ensuring all appliances are in working order. These tasks may seem mundane, but they are essential in maintaining the high standards of a 5-star hotel. Deep cleaning is another crucial aspect of housekeeping. This involves tasks like carpet cleaning, window washing, and upholstery cleaning. These tasks are typically performed on a rotational basis to ensure all areas of the hotel are always in pristine condition. The housekeeping team also plays a role in the upkeep of common areas such as lobbies, restaurants, and conference rooms. These areas are cleaned and tidied regularly to ensure they remain inviting and comfortable for guests. But housekeeping isn't just about cleaning. It's also about creating an inviting atmosphere for guests. Housekeeping teams often go the extra mile to add personal touches to each room, such as arranging towels into intricate designs or leaving chocolates on the pillows. These small gestures can make a big difference in a guest's experience, making them feel valued and taken care of. So, why is housekeeping so important in a 5-star hotel? Well, it's simple. Housekeeping ensures that every aspect of the hotel is clean, tidy, and inviting. It creates an atmosphere of luxury and comfort that guests expect from a 5-star establishment. Without a top-notch housekeeping team, a hotel, no matter how grand or luxurious, would fail to provide the memorable experience that guests expect. In summary, housekeeping is the backbone of a 5-star hotel. It's the team that works tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure every guest has an enjoyable and memorable stay. From cleaning rooms to maintaining common areas, from replenishing supplies to adding personal touches, every task performed by the housekeeping team contributes to the overall luxury and comfort of a 5-star hotel. So the next time you enjoy a stay at a luxurious hotel, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of the housekeeping team. They are the unsung heroes who help create the memorable experiences that make a 5-star hotel truly exceptional.